Hi, crafty friends. It's Tracy Hines, aka Nanner Banana, and in today's video, we are going to turn some Viewmaster slides into some cute Barbie ephemera. So I had purchased these from Sandra. I'm going to link her channel down below. She does sales, and I thought it would be really cool to use these in the Barbie journals as I guess it could be considered a tag. You could write something on there, but more just as an embellishment. And I wanted to be able to still use the case it came in, so I just used my stencil on it, and that's what I came up with. I'm envisioning it maybe like this, down like that, and this kind of paper clipped onto the page is how I'm envisioning using it. And then you still have a pocket back here that you can tuck like other stuff into. But I'm not ready to glue this down because I'm not 100% sure that's how I want to use it in the book. But that's sort of how I'm envisioning it, is this glued to the page, this either paper clip or glued to the front, and then you have a pocket back here to tuck things into is my idea. All right, but for now, we're going to keep them separate until I actually start dressing the journals and decide then. So let's get started. I only made one as an example, but we are going to go ahead and get started making these depending on how long this video goes. I may only make one or two. We'll see. We will just see how long the video goes. All right, so the first thing I did was take some string. I cut it to 10 inches, and it's more than you need, but it gives you some wiggle room to play with when putting this in, because it's not a really very large spot that I'm trying to fit this into here. You don't have to use this thick of threads or anything like that, but I like how it looks. So this is what I decided to go with. And then you're just doing that, and I want them all to be the same, so I'm going to line it up and cut off the excess right there. All right, put that in my trash can. And then I'm going to link the digital for the bows and also the digital for these Barbie like tags that I made. So there will be digitals again linked in the description of this video for you guys to have everything you need to make this yourself, except for obviously you'll have to get your own Viewmaster slides. But even if you didn't have them, it wouldn't be hard to, I know they make a die cut that mimics this, and I mean, it's easy enough to make a little pouch and then just make a circular piece of cardstock, something like that. Because I do try to think of other ways you guys can accomplish the same look of what I'm doing here. But if you go on eBay, they have Viewmaster slides, and I believe you can go on Amazon and get new ones, and they're not that expensive. So that's an option as well. All right, let's go ahead and get these glued on. And this is super simple. I mean, that's what I like, are simple, easy embellishments that make a big impact to your journal. And of course, whenever you get to use vintage items, it's just fun. It would have been cute if I had a bunch of Barbie Viewmaster slides, but it doesn't matter what the Viewmaster is. You're covering it up anyway. So that part doesn't really matter. All right, so I'm putting that there. And then the bow, just see where you like it best on the slide. And again, it's not going to hurt to put this under a heavy object to let it dry. Let me get my Viewmaster slide here, and I will show you how I inked that. I'm going to get a surface so I don't get dirty. Trying to be really careful with this side of my mat so it doesn't get all gluey and stained up like the other side has. So I'm really generous with, I'm pretty heavy-handed with my stenciling on this. And then I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing on this side. Again, being pretty heavy-handed. Just so we can tie in the pink for the Barbie. And there you go. We have ourselves another cute little Barbie Viewmaster tag and pocket. All right, guys, I'm gonna make one more, and then I think we will end the video and let you guys have some fun trying to make some for yourself. So again, I'm just taking my string, I cut it to 10 inches. You'd probably get away with 8 inches because I am cutting a couple inches off. I might try that on the next one to save my resources. And then I just, since it is kind of bulky there, pinch it together, get it through the opening as best I can. The first one did not go through very easily. I'm surprised the one I did on screen here did go through as well as it did, but it does. So don't get intimidated, keep trying. It will go through, I promise. All right, and then we're just looping that through. And I'm going to use this as my guide for how I want it cut. And ink around the edges of these little Barbie tags. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all the free digitals that I'm adding. I don't know if every single video there'll be more digitals that I'm making. It really just depends what I need in the series and what I need to create what I'm bringing to you. If there's something I need image-wise, I make a digital. That way I can accomplish what I'm trying to accomplish. All right, let me get these glued down. I enjoy offering them though. I know when I visit other people's channels and they have free digitals, it's just fun. And you can follow the link that's in the description. It'll take you directly to it. They're free. It'll ask you to put a dollar amount in. Just put 0.00 and it doesn't charge you anything. All right. And just because I'm doing a Barbie series, just think if you whatever series you're doing, just add your focal point and you can use this idea for the series that you're working on or the journal you're working on. I just think it's a really fun idea to use a Viewmaster for your tag. I was gonna like put a back on it so it could truly all be a writable surface back here, but I liked the I like being able to hold up the image and see the pictures that are in there too. So I chose not to do that. All right, so here we are. I have not forgot about the puzzle journal. That video will be coming, but it will be a long video, and I'm just sort of building myself up to do that. I want to get some of these embellishment videos made up ahead of time. That way, going back into the work week, coming off the holidays, if my schedule gets kind of crazy, I have content for you guys to watch that goes along with what we've done. And then hopefully, if I don't get it done this weekend, that video, hopefully next weekend I can work on it. But I promise the video will come out because I have to make those journals and I might as well turn the camera on so you guys can see the process. All right. I just love this stencil. It's one of my favorites. I got this off Echo Park's website, if you're wondering where I got it. And the paper pack that I feel like really went well with the series I'm working on, came off Echo Park as well. All right, so I don't have affiliate links or anything like that. My channel's not big enough to have that. But if you go out to the Echo Park, you will see I think it's fashion and shopping or something to that effect, but you'll see it. And all right, so guys, this is what we made today. I'm gonna stop here and get ready to turn the camera off and work on these behind the scenes, but you guys get the gist of what we're making. Hopefully, you'll have to let me know in the comments. Do you like these? Are they too simple? What do you think? Again, I'm thinking I'm going to glue mine down to the page, probably glue this to the front. I haven't made that decision because it can still go in the pocket right now. But if I do decide to do that, then there's a pocket there to put stuff into. And I have lots of ephemera for these journals that would be perfect to tuck in. All right, guys, don't forget to keep it cute, keep it crafty, and keep making something out of nothing. Bye.